Hi everyone, Guru here from Good Design Lab, and take a look this unique part in SolidWorks on your screen, featuring a circular collar and an angle rib. Don't worry if it looks tricky. I will show you in the cleanest workflow and modeling it in SolidWorks. Smash that subscribe button and let's jump it right into it. So first we need to close this exercise and then we will start from a sketch. You can see here this model. Then close it from close icon and select a new part, Control N, and then select part and then OK. Take any plane like top plane and then sketch. Then go to sketch tab and select a center rectangle right here and select create it from origin. And then go to smart dimension and make it for 50 by 100 mm. And then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 10 mm and that direction is blind and then OK. And you need to apply a chamfer on these corners. Select these corners and go to fillet tab and select chamfer and this direction is 10 mm. Select both corners and then OK. Select this face and then sketch. So first we need to draw a corner rectangle and extrude it up to 10 mm and then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 10 mm. You can see here and the direction is blind and then OK. Select this face and go to sketch. Take a line and create a line and create a line tool and then OK. And then go to a smart dimension and measure it for 10 mm. And this dimension is 30 mm. And this dimension is 10 mm. And then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 35 mm and then OK. Sorry, this dimension is 25 mm. Then go to select this boss extrude and go to edit feature and edit this feature is 25 mm and then OK. Then select this face and go to sketch tab and select line tool and create a line on these corners. And then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 10 mm and then opposite side and then OK. Select this face and go to sketch tab and then press L for line tool. And create a line and make this for construction. And then go to smart dimension and make this dimension as 25 mm then OK. This dimension is 35 mm, sorry 25 mm. And then go to sketch tab and select circle and create a circle at this point of diag 30 mm and 24 mm. This die is 30 mm and this die is 24 mm. And then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 5 mm as we can see in the sketch. And then select OK. Select this corner and then go to fillet tab and create a fillet, apply a fillet, and this parameter is 2 mm only then okay. For adding some appearance, select this first face first, and then go to the appearance tab and select any color you want to apply on it, and then okay. Adding appearance one by one by selecting their face, then okay. And then after apply on whole model, then go to appearance tab and select any color you want to apply, and then okay. And that's how is your model exercise 43 in SolidWorks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Good Design Lab for more practice. Drop your questions in comments below, and I am Guru and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.